You know what she said to me?
She said, you're a player, aren't you? And I bet you got hoes. I said, you don't know me like that. I just go with the flow. She said